We are at the Surfer Kids in Mossel Bay at Diaz Beach, and yeah, today we're going to do a rebuild of a mini half pipe that was donated, and working from this we will do a rebuild and basically do an upcycle project for this. So yeah, here today with me are the guys that's going to help out. So guys, please mention your names.
My name is
Slu.
My name is Sandiso.
Sandiso.
Yes. My name is Lutando.
Lutando.
My name is Mai.
Mai. Okay, guys, so the first structure side is almost in place. We are making progress. Okay guys, we've got both sides of the mini half pipe finished. So yeah, now it's on to the flat bottom. We are finishing with day one. So we've got all the structures in place. So this week it will be wood sealed, and then next weekend we'll clad it and get the surfaces on. It's 6:46 a.m. and it's day 2 of the half pipe build at the Surfer Kids. The structure is completed. Just a few things to secure in place, but we'll only do that once the cladding has been done. The second layer is on, so we are now prepping for the final layer, and then it's securing everything in place. Whoa! Yay! Yay! Way to go, soldier! We finished the cladding. There's still a few touches to be done, but for now everything's good. One of the guys already tested it out to skate, and yeah, it's looking good. The end of today's work. So the balustrades are on, all the supports and structures are inside, supporting the whole structure, so that's good. So now it's just the branding that's left. Just wrapping up everything. The balustrades was the last items that we put onto the skate ramp. Today it's the signage and the branding, and yeah, then we're basically finished. It's the end of day number 4, so the branding is on. Thanks to Wallet of Satoshi for sponsoring the mini half pipe.